Hey guys, how's it going? It's HelpfulLockPicker here, and the video I have for you today is going to be an interesting finding I found on a Kwikset lock like you see here in the Lishi tool. So what inspired this video was when I was working in my video number 388, where I compared the $59 genuine Lishi tool to the $120 original Lishi tool. When I was picking and decoding this very Kwikset lock, what I noticed something was strange. When I was picking the lock and I reached the chamber number 4 where it had a number 6 length key pin, I felt like I did not need to actually set the driver pin, and when I went to decode the key pin it felt a little bit different. So through a quick conversation with the board lockpicker, we were able to discuss this matter a little bit further, and what I'm going to do is demonstrate this finding for you right now. So what I've done in this lock is I have put number 6 key pins all the way across the chambers here. So we're going to have a 6 and 1 all the way through 5. So when you take a typical key blank, this is certainly not going to open up the lock. We're going to overset all of the pins. You're going to see how all of these key pins are lifted much too high, and that's not going to open up your lock. And when I try to turn the plug over, you'll see once again. But the interesting thing was when I was picking the lock, when I inserted the Lishi tool with the number 6 key pin, it looked like it was at the shear line. So what I'm going to do is insert the tool right now, and you're going to be able to see that it does look like it's at the shear line right here. And the really interesting thing is you can actually turn the plug over and open up the lock, and that has all of the number 6 pins perfectly set. So with the Lishi tool, a lock that has number 6 key pins, you actually do not need to pick them at all. And I just think that's a pretty cool, interesting, and powerful finding. That is just so cool, and I never expected that. So what I'm going to do is lock the cylinder up one more time, and I'm going to take out the genuine Lishi tool as well, just to show you that it works the same with both of the tools. So I'm inserting the genuine Lishi, and we're able to turn the plug over. But either way, guys, this is all that I had for you today. So it was a really quick, basic video, but I just wanted to show you a really interesting finding regarding the genuine KW1 Lishi tool and the original KW1 Lishi tool. These are really cool tools. I love learning more about them, and I just wanted to share this with you today. But either way, guys, if you haven't checked out the board lock picker, I just want to say thank you for sharing some of your input and some of the inspiration. What I'm going to do is put a link to his channel on the top here so you can check him out. And also, if you have any questions or suggestions, as always, please drop those in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking this out, and I hope you all have a great day, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video.